let's try the Ryan. I go to the main menu again, to the activities, and there's one activity I'm very surprised, and well, if someone tries it, I want to try someday to make the flight from New York to Paris in the Ryan NYP, like Charles Lindbergh did, but in real time. There are 33.5 hours if you make it right. A lot of hours where you cannot release the sticks, where you cannot release the stick in that plane just because it was an unstable plane. If you release the stick, the plane tended to stabilize and go to different ways. Yes, it's a full trip.
They do. Well, not that one.
Later on, I will try to also at least get close to the cockpit of the Ryan to see it in detail. It would be interesting.
Whatever reason they don't do that.
Here we go, we have it. Oh, this plane has no front visibility. It has a periscope. When you raise that periscope and you see just a little minor portion of a head in that way. Okay, I'll try to move a little bit just to look through the lateral window a little bit, but I have no other aid than that. There are flaps. No flaps this plane. The sound looks good. That's nice. I understand now, because there are two liveries, different liveries. Maybe the plane is the same, but one thing is the plane that departed New York, and the other thing is the plane that came back. The plane that came back in 1988 after a tour for Europe, it has some parts of the fabric were stolen by collectionists, and it has a lot of stickers of the countries he has visited. So this is because there are two different libraries. Now I understand. Okay, I see the instruments. It has 3 different compasses. One on the roof. Let's see. The controls, the cables. Nice. The cockpit was really Spartan. Nothing that was not needed, and all the plane was a tank. Yep.
Sorry.
And
5 minutes to lunch.
5 minutes?
Yeah. And
okay.
Someone will lead you down to the
Up to lunch. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So there's a periscope. Okay, let's go. Let's see how. Sensitive, it's sensitive, yes, it's very sensitive, as I expected. It's a tail dragger. Okay, am I happy at the controls? 70 knots, a little bit more, come on, take off, 80 knots, up in the air, but it's not climbing anymore. 90 knots. I can go far. Now I will try. I track the periscope. What happens? I try to keep at 90 knots, and let's see what happens if I release the stick. Okay, no, the pitch. At least I have put a little bit of pitch trim. Okay. Now, if I release the stick and I don't touch anything, the plane tends to bank to the left. It's okay for me, but I feel it a little bit of so much stable that it should be, or feel it's full. Okay, the fuel tank is full, so this plane should be very unstable. The center of gravity way forward. Okay, let's
We're
back.
starting to head to lunch, not sure if you're going to
Try to land. So I had to fine tune the pitch. Okay. Okay.